Is your Fendt E-Box faulty? No problem. I'll show you step by step how to remove it quickly and easily. First, remove the cover. Next, loosen the housing using a screwdriver, size PH2. Now, carefully lift off the housing. Then, disconnect the multi-connector from the E-Box. At the bottom, you'll find the brown ground cable. It is secured with a small screw. Remove this screw as well. Now you can easily take out the E-Box. You can send the unit in for repair, or we can conveniently pick it up from your location. After the repair is completed, you can reinstall the E-Box. Start by placing it back into position. Next, securely fasten the ground cable using the ring terminal. Then reconnect the multi-connector. Very important, make sure to press the safety lock back down. Now place the housing back on top. In the next step, tighten the housing using the 4 screws. If you found this video helpful, feel free to let us know in the comments. Almost done. Now simply place the cover back on top. And if you have any questions, just reach out to us.